Welcome to the sixth video lecture on the topic polymer chemistry. In last video, we learnt preparation of rubber and preparation of polythene. Low density polythene, that is LDP, and high density polythene, that is HDP. In this short video, we are going to study three important polymers. One is Teflon, second is polyacrylonitrile, that is Orlon, and third is nylon 6,6 polymer. So let us start the preparation of Teflon. I explain by taking this example. Look here, this is carbon-carbon double bond, and here is hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen and hydrogen. This molecule can be represented like this: CH2 double bond CH2. Ethylene molecule or ethene molecule, this is ethylene or ethene. Next compound I am going to represent. I replace all 4 hydrogen atoms of ethylene by 4 fluorine atoms, and the compound obtained is C double bond C, fluorine, fluorine, third fluorine atom and fourth fluorine atom. This is a derivative of ethylene. This compound is a derivative of ethylene. Condensed formula can be written like this: CF2 double bond CF2. The name of the compound is tetrafluoroethylene. Name of the compound tetrafluoroethylene or tetrafluoroethene. Tetrafluoroethene. This monomer is used for the preparation of Teflon. So I represent here CF2 double bond CF2. This is tetrafluoroethylene. I take N molecules of tetrafluoroethylene. It is also known as tetrafluoroethene. It undergoes polymerization. In presence of peroxide. Like hydrogen peroxide or ammonium persulfate initiator. Hydrogen peroxide or ammonium persulfate is used as initiator and polymer is produced. I represent how to write polymer. So here CF2 single bond CF2. Addition polymerization takes place. This monomer forms 2 covalent bonds. Polymer is represented by enclosing this unit in square bracket. and on right hand side of the bracket subscript n is written. Subscript n is written. So remember, this unit is repeated n times and we get long chain polymer. This polymer is formed by addition polymerization. How to write the name of the polymer? You use prefix poly. याच्या आधी पॉली शब्द लिहिलं की पॉलिमर तयार होतोय. सो आय रिप्रेझेंट हियर पॉली टेट्राफ्लोरो ethylene or poly tetrafluoroethene. This is Teflon. This is known as Teflon. So in this way, Teflon can be prepared. So I am going to represent, or I am going to tell you properties of Teflon. Teflon is tough and chemically inert. Teflon is tough and chemically inert. Carbon-fluorine bond is difficult to break and remains unaffected by corrosive alkali and organic solvents. Carbon-fluorine bond is strong and remains unaffected by corrosive alkali and organic solvents. This Teflon is used to prepare non-stick cookware. Teflon is used to prepare non-stick cookware, oil seals, gaskets, valves, etc. Oil seals, gaskets, valves, etc. So these are the uses of Teflon. This Teflon can be represented like this. PTFE, polytetrafluoroethylene. In short, Teflon is denoted by like this: PTFE, polytetrafluoroethylene. Non-stick cookwares are prepared by using Teflon. If it is clear, I explain the preparation of polyacrylonitrile. This polymer is called PAN. PAN, that means polyacrylonitrile. The monomer is CH2 double bond CH single bond CN. This is acrylonitrile. N molecules I have taken. This compound undergoes polymerization. In presence of peroxide. This is monomer. How to represent polymer? CH2 single bond CH single bond CN single bond. This unit is repeated n times. is repeated n times. It is enclosed in square bracket and n is written as subscript. This is known as polyacrylonitrile. Polyacrylonitrile, that is PAN. It is also known as acrylan. It is also known as acrylan. परीक्षेमध्ये एका मार्कासाठी किंवा 2 मार्कासाठी प्रश्न विचारला जाईल, गिव्ह द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ टेफ्लॉन or give the preparation of polyacrylonitrile. So this is about polyacrylonitrile. I am going to tell you uses of polyacrylonitrile. This polyacrylonitrile resembles wool. It is similar to wool and it is used for making blankets. ब्लँकेट्स तयार करण्यासाठी या ऑर्लॉनचा, याला ऑर्लॉन असं सुद्धा म्हणतात, पॉलीॲक्रिलोनायट्राइल, दॅट इज ऑर्लॉन, ORLON. द नेम ऑफ द कंपाउंड इज, I write here, ऑर्लॉन. This is similar to wool. It resembles wool. Therefore, it is used to prepare blankets. In this way, I explain 2 methods of preparation of polymers. After completing this, I am going to explain preparation of one polyamide fiber. The polyamide polymer contains amide linkage. The linkage present similar to protein. Polyamide linkage that we are going to study. So the polymer is nylon 6,6. आतापर्यंत बोर्डाच्या कितीतरी क्वेश्चन पेपरमध्ये गिव्ह द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ नायलॉन 6,6 असा प्रश्न विचारलेला आहे. So I write the title, nylon 6,6. Preparation of this polymer. Now I am explaining. Raw materials used are adipic acid or hexamethylene diamine. The monomers are adipic acid or hexamethylene diamine. I write here CH2 4 times COOH, single bond COOH. This compound is adipic acid. Adipic acid. N molecules of adipic acid I have taken plus N molecules of CH2 6 times NH2. Hexamethylene, CH2 groups means methylene group, and here is NH2. These are 2 monomers used for the preparation of nylon 6,6. The name of this monomer is hexamethylene diamine. This is the monomer. Both these monomers contain 6 carbon atoms. 6 carbon atoms. Therefore, it is known as nylon 6,6. It is known as nylon 6,6. An equimolar mixture of aqueous solution of adipic acid is heated with equimolar mixture of hexamethylene diamine. Heating is represented by delta sign. This is acidic group, carboxylic group. NH2 group is amino group, basic group. I write product from here. CH2 I write as it is, CH2 4 times. This carboxyl group loses proton and carboxylate ion is produced. COO minus ion is produced. This hydrogen is added to this NH2 and NH2 group is converted into NH3 plus. Acid base reaction takes place, that means salt is produced. Single bond CH2 6 times NH2 and here COOH. Try to understand, this acidic group loses proton and converted into carboxylate ion. This NH2 group accepts proton and gets converted into NH3 plus ion. Here N molecules are produced. This is nylon salt. The name of the compound is hexamethylene diammonium adipate. This nylon salt is produced. This compound is heated. It loses water molecule H2O. Condensation takes place. N molecules of water are removed and the polymer is formed. I start writing from here. CH2 4 times CONH, CH2 6 times NH, on this side CO. So this is polymer. I represent formation of polymer in square bracket and N is written here. For polymer, N is written outside the bracket as subscript, and this is nothing but nylon 6,6. It contains amide linkage. This is polyamide C double bond O NH linkage. Polyamide linkage. It is condensation polymer. Formed by step growth polymerization. It is called nylon 6,6 because the raw material adipic acid and hexamethylene diamine contains 6 carbon atoms. असाही प्रश्न विचारला जाईल, give the preparation of नायलॉन 6,6 पॉलिमर किंवा गिव द नेम्स ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल्स यूज्ड or give the names of monomers used in the preparation of nylon 6,6. या नायलॉन 6,6 चे युजेस आपल्याला माहीत आहेत. इट इज यूज्ड टू प्रिपेअर सुचर्स फॉर सर्जरी. सर्जरीमध्ये स्टिचिंगसाठी जे थ्रेड्स वापरतात नायलॉन थ्रेड्स, त्याच पद्धतीनं इट इज यूज्ड फॉर टूथब्रश ब्रिसल्स. टूथब्रशचे ब्रिसल्स तयार करण्यासाठी त्यांचा उपयोग होतोय. टेक्स्टाईल फॅब्रिक्स तयार करण्यासाठी त्यांचा उपयोग होतोय. इट हॅज हाय टेन्साईल स्ट्रेंथ. सो दिस इज अबाउट प्रिपरेशन ऑफ नायलॉन 6,6. सो इन दिस व्हिडिओ वी सॉ प्रिपरेशन ऑफ टेफ्लॉन, प्रिपरेशन ऑफ polyacrylonitrile, that is Orlon, and preparation of 6,6. We are preparation of nylon 6. मी ज्यावेळी पॉलिमरचं क्लासिफिकेशन एक्सप्लेन केलंय त्याच वेळी नायलॉन 6चं प्रिपरेशन सुद्धा एक्सप्लेन केलं. रिंग ओपनिंग पॉलिमरायझेशननं नायलॉन 6 तयार होतोय, तो पॉईंट मी तिथंच कव्हर केलेला आहे. We are going to study some more polymers, not today but in next video. Thank you so much.